Hey guys, what's up? I recently picked up the new iPod Touch 4th generation, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you guys. Alright, so let's open this thing up. Alright, so here we have the iPod itself, but let's put this aside and see what else is in the box. So here we have the starting guide, the USB cable, and the regular pair of the old earphones. Okay, so let's get back to the iPod. Alright, let me just open this up. Wow, this is pretty cool. It has an A4 processor and Retina display. It's about 4.5 inches long, 2.5 inches wide, and about 3/10 of an inch thick. Pretty light. It's only about 3.6 ounces. That's 101 grams. There's a front camera, back camera. Alright, so let's try to turn this thing on. Alright, I hooked it up. Now I need to sync it up to iTunes. Okay, here we go. Alright, so let's take a look at these cameras. Alright, oh, it's pretty good quality. Here's a back camera. Here's the front. Let's check out this FaceTime app. Alright, it looks like I have to sign up for this. I'll do that later. The rest of the apps look pretty much the same. So I think I'm gonna end on that note. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to subscribe and rate thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time.